With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. Remove the screws from the middle frame. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Very carefully, we remove the upper antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the power and volume control flex. Now we remove the screen connector. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the 4 rear cameras of the device. We disconnect the front camera. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We remove the screw. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Lift gently the device motherboard. Remove the support of the proximity sensor. We remove the proximity sensor. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.